Hi, this is Mrs. Gerhart. Today I'm going to show you how to add layers onto your piece. So I'm going to show you a couple clay pieces that are already created. Here you're seeing layers, but they're created as more of a relief sculpture where you see it only sticks out a little bit from the background. But I see 1, 2, 3. These two are about the same, so that's one layer. That's 4, 5, 6. For your project, you will need at least 3 layers. Here's another way to show it. This is more like a sculpture in the round where you see all the parts that stick off, and you can see again a low, medium, and high. There's also some extra layers on this piece as well, and you can see how there are multiple containers within this project. So again, you need at least 3 layers. So I've started to build the bottom of my container, and then I have my lid sitting here. This is the design that I'm working from. So now I'm going to start to create the design of repeating flowers for my different layers. So in order to make those, I'm going to use some parts of my extra clay, and I can use coils, I can do pinch method, whatever I need to do to start to create those smaller pieces. And again, just like I showed before in connecting small pieces, anytime I'm connecting something, I am going to need to score that piece, which basically means to cut like little X's onto it. I am going to take a look and decide where am I going to connect it. I'm going to score that piece as well. Then I'm either using a toothbrush or my finger, adding some slip. Slip is a mixture of clay and water, acts like a glue, and I'm going to start to press those pieces together. Then I need to find something that has a rounded edge. If it has a lot of clay on it, I'm going to get that clay off, maybe put it with my extra clay, and then I need to tally in at least 1 or 2 areas. Now you don't need to do a whole lot, but you need to go across that seam so that we know that the clay is very well connected. So now on this piece, you are now starting to see 2 layers. I have a low layer and I have a medium layer. I would need to add 1 more layer somewhere on this same part of my clay project. So I might, have more details that are layered on top of this piece to get that 3rd layer. I might have some other pieces that are going to start to make some of my flower designs, and maybe they pop up a little bit. Now I see a low, a medium, and a high. So again, 3 different layers.